So it looks like I broke something on my tractor. Four-wheel drive isn't working and the front wheel is loose, so it's likely a bearing or two, so I'm going to have to open up the hub and take a look inside. So let's check it out. With the wheel out of the way, I undo all the bolts on the hub and remove it from the axle. I then spend some time cleaning the hub and removing any metal debris inside. It seems there are 3 bearings in the hub assembly, and all 3 were damaged, leaving pieces of metal in between the front wheel drive gears. I removed the last bearing race from the axle and finished cleaning. I now need to disassemble the hub by first pulling off the large gear wheel, but for that I'm going to have to make a puller. For this I'm just using a piece of scrap tubing and some threaded rod, with a few pieces of angle on the bottom to grab the gear. With the gear removed, I disassemble the rest of the hub and remove the remaining bearings and spacers. So here we have all the parts cleaned up and laid out. You can see all the old bearing parts in the back and the 3 new bearings ready to go back in. But first I need to remove the old bearing races from this outer housing. To do that, I'm going to lay a bead of weld along the inside of the race that will cause it to shrink slightly so I can get it out easier. While I wait for that to cool, I'm going to clean up the rest of the housings so the new gasket can get a good seal. With the old races out, I packed the first 2 bearings with grease and installed them in the housing. Then add a bead of gasket and sandwich it all together. Next I add more gasket and some metal spacers before installing the bearing assembly and bolting everything down. Then installing the dust shield. I now pack the bearings with more grease, then slide the wheel hub spindle in. Then I press the spindle and housing together. Next I pack the last bearing with grease and slide it onto the spindle shaft. Then secure it in place with the retainer and bolts. Now a final bead of copper gasket and it's ready to be reinstalled. So I load the axle up with grease, then clean the flange and add more copper gasket. I slide the hub on and align the bearing, then the bolt holes. Then install all the bolts and tighten them up. Then put the wheel back on and test everything out. One last item before I put it back to work is to fill the lower gearbox with gear oil. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully I don't break anything else for a while. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.